are drawing makeup products. So, let's get started. First, we will draw the eyeshadow palette. For that, we will draw a box, another box. Now, we will draw more boxes inside these big boxes and a butterfly in the middle. After the palette, we will draw a lipstick. For that, we will draw the rectangular body and lipstick on it. Now, draw small hearts to decorate our lipstick. Next, we will draw a nail paint. We will draw a cap, then attached to it, we will draw a plier. Now, the bottle. At last, we will draw a makeup brush. It is used to apply makeup on our face. To decorate our brush, we will draw a few cute little flowers. Now we will highlight our drawing. It's time to color our drawing. First, we will color the eyeshadow palette purple. Golden. Orange. Yellow. Dark blue. Red. Silver. Green. Blue. Light brown. Color the lipstick red, yellow, brown, red, It's time to color the nail paint. Green. Gray. Light green. Orange. At last, we will color the makeup brush. Pink. Dark blue. Light brown. Yellow. Green. Red. Blue. And it's done. Bye, friends. Let's meet in the next video. And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.